Hi, Kevin here, and thank you for joining me. I've just made this very short video to help you to place a banner ad on your website or blog. So let's start by having a look at a few banner ads. Now here are 5 I've just finished working on. Lots of different sizes there for fitting anywhere on your website, and as you can see they've all started animating. That's because they are animated ads. At the moment, with 5 going off at the same time, you can see they're not in synchronization. They're not meant to all be on the same page at the same time, but that little bit of movement really does make a really big difference. Not only have I made these animated GIFs, I've also made some text ads, and here's one, and the red box around the outside is something I've just added for this video. So if you put one of these on your website, it won't have the red box around it. By the way, the animated GIFs, that's the pictorial ones, they do outpull about 10 times more than the text one. So I encourage you to use the picture graphics banner ads wherever possible. So the first question is, where do we find our affiliate promotional materials and of course banner ads? So you're already logged into your site, so go to the left hand side and there you'll see a tab with promotions on it. Click on this one and then it should open up and you'll see one with banner links. So click on that and it will open up another page. Now what we're looking for here is the banner link ad page. Now I have to tell you that this displays differently in different computers. It might say campaigns or it might say banner links. Okay, but just click on one of those two. Over here I've highlighted another box which says affiliate link protector. Take no notice of this, it was meant for another video, so I'm just reusing the same graphics. Okay, anyway, click on the banner and links and that will open you up. You choose which campaign you want to promote and then that will open you up another page with all of the banners and all of the materials available for that campaign. Here's that same campaign, but it's blown up a little, and there's a few things I'd like to show you straight away. Just scroll down and find the banner that attracts you most. Now this banner, or both of these banners, are not actually animating because this is a picture I've taken, a screen grab, and as you can see on this one here, it's sort of halfway made, so I promise you it won't look like that if you put this on your site. But just choose the one you want and then just click on the get banner code, well, like I have done here, and it'll open this box up. But before that, just have a look up here, because every one of these banner ads will tell you how much you will make if somebody buys this particular product. This is the Internet Profit Secrets seminar, and the net profit you'll make on that is £46. And here is the link it will take you to. We're actually promoting this page. You don't really need to know that, but it just gives you a little bit of background information. All you have to do is open up the code and copy this here. So just highlight it all and copy it, or if you're on a Mac, just push Ctrl+C. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to place your banner onto a WordPress blog. However, you might be putting it onto a HTML website. The fact is, it's exactly the same process. The one difference is, if it's a HTML static website, you'll have to upload it using your FTP program when you've added the banner ads. So if you're using an AWP blog, and that's what most of our members tend to use nowadays, just go and log yourself in, and once you've logged yourself in, go to the menu on the left hand side of the screen, and you need to choose the post or the page of your choice. Presumably, there's two ways we can use this. We can put our banner ad directly into a page, or we can put it onto the sidebar. I would actually advise you to put it onto the sidebar, but for this demonstration we're going to start off with putting it on a page. So select the post or page, the article or the page of your choice. It'll be exactly the same process. So just open it up and have a look down under the visual tab. That's how it usually looks. Just have a look, find out where you want to place it, and when you've done that, just use the HTML tab. Click on that, find a place where you want it to display, place your cursor there, and then click the paste button. So that would be Control V or the paste button, and that will put the code directly into your page. When you've done that and you're happy where it is, you might not be able to see it until it actually is displaying on your website. So just click on the update over here on the right hand side, click on the update button, and then go and see how it looks live on the internet. The second place to cite your banner ad is in your sidebar, and the way you do this is to go to your menu, and this time under Appearances, drop that down and click on the widget link, and that's going to open up a page that gives you a ton of different widgets that your WordPress blog is installed with. The one you're looking for is text. Now I've actually dragged this across. You have to sort of grab it and drag it to the sidebar which you want. Now on this occasion I already have a text box in the sidebar and also one in the footer, and you can see the one in the footer I've actually put a heading to as well, but you can have as many as you like. So just literally grab the text widget and drag it to the place where you want. When you've done that, open the box just by clicking on it. Remember I showed you one, you could put the title in there if you want, but generally a banner ad wouldn't have a title. And in the box, just paste, Control V or paste the code. Come down to Save, click on Save, and guess what? You're finished. Just go along to the website, make sure it's displaying properly, check the link is working. There should be no problem at all, but just check that that link is working, and of course every time somebody clicks on that, it's going to show up in your affiliate panel that somebody has clicked on it, and when they make a sale it's going to send you an email and it's going to tell you all about it. Have fun.